In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vertex AI in Google Cloud to build, train, and deploy machine learning models efficiently. So whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, Vertex AI provides a powerful tools to streamline your AI workflows. So before you can use Vertex AI, you need an active Google Cloud project. So in here, make sure you are on the official website of Google Cloud. So on the top left corner beside the Google Cloud logo, you will see there the My Project 39457. So click on that, and then you will see in here that this is my existing project currently. So you can click the new project on the top right corner and give your project a name. So I'm going to name it as C project underscore calcifer and then create. So unfortunately, I couldn't. So let's edit it. So create. So okay, make sure all fields no. Okay, and then create, and that's it. So as you can see, we've successfully created your project in here. So enable Vertex AI API. So in order to do that, click this select a project first in order to activate your created project a while ago. Now click this navigation menu on the left corner and then click the APIs and services and enable APIs and services, and then search the Vertex AI. So click this. So as you can see in here, I've already visited the Vertex AI. So you can search Vertex AI if you couldn't find it. Now click on the Vertex AI in here and then click the enable all recommended APIs. So click on that. And as you can see in here, it automatics enable some features here in Vertex AI. So as you can see, not all features are enabled because it requires a billing. So this is the billing to keep using Vertex AI API. So you need to integrate your credit card in here, and yeah, you can click the go to billing if you want to fully access the Vertex AI, but in this case I'm not going to do that for now. But listen carefully as I explain each step. So assumingly we've finished this billing process or steps in here. So to set up Vertex AI Workbench, you can go to the interactive notebook for models deployment. If you're using a Jupyter notebook, just simply go to the Vertex AI and then Workbench and then click create new instance and then choose the Jupyter notebook environment. It could be Python, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. It's up to you. And then after that, you can now select the compute power or CPU or GPU or TPU based on your needs. And then after that, click create and wait for deployment. So as you can see in here on my screen, I'm still trying to access the payment method here in Google Cloud. So back to the topic, if you're using a Jupyter notebook. So in machine learning models, you need a data. You can store datasets in cloud storage, and you can also train a machine learning model. So Vertex AI supports a custom models and AutoML training. And then after that, you can deploy and serve your model with Vertex AI endpoints. And you can also make a predictions with your deployed model. And that's it. You can explore the Vertex AI. So Vertex AI offers a lot of features that you can use for creating a AI or machine learning. And that's it. That's how you use Vertex AI in Google Cloud to build, train and deploy an AI model. So whether you use a AutoML or a custom training pipeline, Vertex AI makes it easy to scale your machine learning projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.